Hi Charlotte, you've clearly got the idea of this. Did you watch the video that I left there for each of these bits of work? Because hopefully that will lead you through anything you need to revise. However, for these two questions, I've taken this information: x is 6, y is minus 2, and here's our question: what is x plus y squared? So if x is 6, I'm literally going to write this, minus 2 squared. Now I'm putting brackets because it says y squared, which means squaring the whole of y. So that's going to be minus 2 times minus 2. So what you should end up with is 6 minus times a minus is a plus, so that'll be plus 4, and your answer is 10. So in a similar way, I'm literally going to write the same thing down again, but instead of the letters I'm going to put the numbers. So instead of y it's minus 2 plus 20 all over, instead of x it's 6. And then using BIDMAS, so that's brackets, I haven't got any brackets, no indices, I do have a divide and I do have an add. But here's the thing, normally you would do divide first, but because this divide is the whole of the top divided by the whole of the bottom, I can't do it until I've worked out this bit at the top. So minus 20 plus 20 is 18, and that's 18 divided by 6, which is 3. So what I'm going to do before I even try and work anything out is I'm going to put everything I know into this formula. So I've copied the formula out. So instead of f, I'm going to write 50 equals 1.8c plus 32. Now, I've got my unknown here. So essentially what I'm doing is just solving an equation. So as long as I do the same thing to both sides, then my equation remains true. So I want to get rid of this first. So if I subtract 32 from both sides, I'll end up with 18 equals 1.8c, because 32 minus 32 is 0. Now I've got 1.8 times c. To get rid of this 1.8, I'm going to divide both sides by 1.8. So it's 18 divided by 1.8. And then I'd like you to have a go at doing that on a calculator and see what you get.